Long division adventure. Hey kids, welcome to our long division adventure. Let's learn how to divide 458 by 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing. We look at the first digit, which is 4. How many times does 3 go into 4? It goes in 1 time. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Great job, we're doing awesome. Now, let's move on to the next step. Ready for the next part? We bring down the 5 to make 15. How many times does 3 go into 15? It goes in 5 times. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Fantastic work, you're a division champion. Let's keep going. Almost there. We bring down the 8. How many times does 3 go into 8? It goes in 2 times. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. You did it, we have a remainder. We're all done. So the answer is 152, with a remainder of 2. We did it, we've divided 458 by 3, and we got 152 with a remainder of 2. Remember, division helps us share things equally. Keep practicing, and you'll become division superstars.